Hey guys, KEYO here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. If you are returning, hey. In today's video, I know that I haven't really been making a lot of videos recently because work and I was out of state for about a week, but we have NoMakeNoLife box. I have been loving this box. I'm still using what I got last month. Let me say, amazing. In this box, every month there is a theme. Last month was skincare. I think this month is natural, but they put full-size products in these boxes as well as sample-size products. You don't know what you're gonna get. It is a Korean and Japanese beauty line kind of thing, hence the love sign on it. Saranghae. Let us jump right in. As you guys see, you get this beautiful pink box with makeup, with stuff, with cutesy little graphics on it. I'm pretty much in love with the packaging. So pretty much in every box that you get this cute little book that has your codes in it and stuff. You can register your box online, and it tells you everything that is in the box as well. I don't like looking at these until the end because I like looking at the products first on, you know? You feel me? So getting right into it, we have our little universal first product that's in every fucking box. This actually caught my eye. The first legit product that is in this is the horror mask. I'm super excited to use this. Hopefully it comes out like a little skeleton because on the back, bam. That's what I'm excited for. But this is made with black rice and it's supposed to be soothing and whatnot to the skin. Berry Some Horror Mask series. This is the skull, so I believe it does actually have the skull on it. In it? On it. Maybe in it too. This also caught my eye. I have no idea what exactly it is, but I'm kind of excited to use it. It's got a panda. We all know I love pandas. What it looks like this is going to do is you would essentially use it and exfoliate your face. It's like a little cleansing pad that it just comes with a cute little handle. Oh, there you go. Cute little handle and stuff. You put the pad on, you put your goo on there, and then you scrub your face. The next product in this box is called, it's by Fiance, and it's pink grapefruit. Everything has pink grapefruit right now. I don't know why. These are fragrance body sheets. Looks like this. You get 20 in the pack. I don't know if this, maybe it's just like a refreshing, if you're like really sweaty and nonsense, you just kind of like wipe it. Kind of like the spritzing mists that are supposed to like refresh and revigorate your skin. Maybe the days that, you know, you don't shower. The next product that is in this box, which is a little cutesy fortune type thing. Adorable nickel. Oh, it's bath salt and powder. Huh, interesting. I'm kind of curious what bath powder would feel like or smell like. It says specifically, don't eat, because you know somewhere someone's like, oh, some white powder, let me eat that shit. Pretty interesting. I'll have to read up on that. The next product, this one's also pretty cute. It's Fua cleansing pad. So you would pretty much use this to cleanse your face. And then these are rewashable, so that's pretty neato. It's got like directions and stuff on the back of like how you're supposed to use it. So it's pretty much like the panda one, except it's a little white one and they disguised the package to look like a little bear. That's adorable! A lot of cleansing stuff in this. A lot of cleansing pads and whatnot. The next product, I'm actually not sure what this, ooh! It's they're brush cleaners, which is good because I need some of those. Some of my brushes get really nasty and I haven't unpacked my suitcase yet, which has a couple of the brushes that I want to use in it. But yeah, it's brush cleaner wipes. Maybe I will try those out and show you guys. You know what? Screw it. Here's what they seem like now. The next product, I kind of lost count of where we are. I feel like I'm going through this pretty fast too, but this is exciting. So we actually only have 2 more products left in this box. The first one is this. Oh, it's lip tint by the company Can-Make. So what kind of lip tint is this? Ooh, that is so cute. Just look at the detail. It looks like a little baby coffin. So this is supposed to be a lip tint. Ooh. It looks like the color iodine. That is a color now. That's what it is. Like I said, it kind of looks like iodine. I'm really curious on what it looks like on the lips. And it is a stain. Maybe I'll have brown lips for a week. Last but not least, I knew that this product was going to be in this box, and I'm pretty excited to go ahead and try it. This is from Etude House, which is a phenomenal company. If you guys do not know them, I highly suggest them. But this is the OMI Lash Mascara. I love their lashes. I love their products. I am in love with the company. I've been waiting to get this. This is pretty cool. I love the wand already. Let me give you the rundown of what was in this box if you are just now tuning in. Can-Make lip tint in espresso jam. The Etude House Oh My Lash Mascara. The Speed Off brush cleaning sheets. The Fiancé fragrance body sheets. Japanese bath powder. The Berry Some Horror mask. Not really horror sound, it's pretty cute. The Fluffy cleaning pad. The Patting Panda tool. Now that we have an official name for it. And that is all. Now in the book, they have horoscopes. As I told you guys last time, my hair color was pink. And that seems to be the color that I always go to because it accentuates my skin color, you know? Because I'm very pasty white. In this month, it's funny because it actually pinpoints me again. Gemini. Gin and tonic. What's funny about this is that the wedding that I just went to, in the little beauty bag that they gave me, has gin in it. Pretty awesome. And then they have like little contests and stuff in this, so it's pretty cool. If you guys would like to sign up like the last video, I definitely will have the sign up thing link in the description box. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to write those in the comments section. And if you would like to see more examples of how these could be used, or if you have any questions on how a product could be used, definitely just, leave that and I'll go ahead and answer. I highly recommend this box. I think it's awesome. I do love myself some Japanese and Korean beauty. I think they're phenomenal at what they do, and they definitely leave your skin feeling better than American products. So with that being said, that is all for this video, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. If you liked what you saw, definitely click that thumbs up button for me, like my henna finger. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I do put out videos, just not as frequently as I was. If you want to see more games, just let me know. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know. If you want to see more beauty stuff, let me know, or art, or whatever have you. I am here to listen. Yeah, end of the video. Okay, bye.